Okay, so I'm going to show you how to create a new audio recording entry on our website by using the new sermon manager that we've got installed. So once you've logged in on the dashboard, if you go over to the left hand side here, you'll see sermons, and if you go to add new, so for this example I'm going to add to the website a prophetic word that was given to us a couple of years ago by Heidi Baker. So we'll call this prophetic word to the UK. Okay, and the date I've got is the 17th of the 2nd, 2017. It was done, I believe, during Sunday morning, so I'm going to add that into Sunday mornings. Now, there was no main Bible passage that was read out during this word, but if there is a key passage that's come out in the message, then enter that in there as it's been formatted there like that. Also, the description is key for our iTunes podcast listing, so we just need a sentence from the speaker just to add that in here. So I will just add this. Okay, there's our little short description. And then we'll move further down. So now is the MP3 link that you've got. So once you've uploaded your MP3 to the website via FTP, you want that link there. So I've already got that, so we can just copy and paste that in there. MP3 duration, I mean, if you've got it, pop it in there. If not, then it should automatically calculate it for us. Also, with our new media player an entry, we can also add a video to it as well. So, I mean, if you happen to have a YouTube video link from our YouTube channel, then that can go in here, just into that box there. But as we've not got one at the moment, I won't pop that in. In addition, if there's any notes that that have been given out, so I mean, this would be handy for a school where notes have been given out. We can add a copy of the PDF file in there, so that'd be good. Also, if we ever wanted to in the future, I mean, we could also add our weekly bulletin as a PDF in there if that was needed. Down to our discussion box, we want to allow comments and we want to allow trackbacks and pingbacks to our post, as essentially it's kind of created like a blog post. So now we'll move over to our right hand panel here as well. So we're going to add the speaker. Now what we can do here is we can choose from the most used speakers, and there we go. So we can just quickly add one in there. If it's not in there, then we can add it as a new person. So Heidi Baker is going to go in as a new entry. We can just add her. And as it's Ian Jones reading this out, we may as well add him in there as well. One of the good things about this sermon speaker is we can add multiple speakers if we've had more than one or two people speaking, which is handy if we have couples that minister together. We'll move down to a series. So if you're uploading a message that's part of a theme or a series, then again that can be added in there. So we've got a couple of series that have already been added to the site, and we could pop that in there. Topics. So we'll create a topic for this one. We'll call this prophetic words. So if ever there's a prophetic word given, and there's a key recording that's been uploaded, it's a prophetic word, then we can add that as a topic and people can search. I think it'd be handy for users to just search for any prophetic words that have been given to the church. Any specific Bible books can go in there as well. We haven't got anything at this point. And now we need to upload, set the sermon image. So let's go ahead and do that. Go to our media library. As we can see, if it's a Sunday morning, then we've got our Sundays image there that we can use for that. If there's any other series that have been uploaded, like It's Time of Love and Fruit of the Spirit as a Weapon, then you should already find them in there. I'll have created one for you. So we can now set that sermon image, and that is everything. So we can go back up and we can publish that. And we'll just go and check that on our front page, on the media page, and we'll just refresh that so we can find our new entry. It always sorts by the most recent one first. This is a message that was done a couple of years ago, so we'll just check that this message has been added into our filters here. And we can see, yep, there's Heidi Baker, so we can select Heidi Baker. Okay, and there it is, prophetic. Well, I should say prophetic word, but I'll add that in afterwards. And we'll pretend that that was correct. And there we go, there is.
This is what Heidi Baker told
our recording. So there we go. Thank you for watching.
Asking him to take